Welcome back to our Mastering AI Voice Lesson 4, Understanding AI Voice Sound Effects. Sound effects are essential for enhancing the realism and immersion of your audio projects. 11 Labs provides a variety of sound effects that can be seamlessly integrated into your voiceovers and projects. To create sound effects, access the sound effects section within 11 Labs. Type a description of the desired sound effect in the text box, for example, person walking on grass. Now let's adjust the settings. Set the duration for the generated sound. Use the prompt influence slider to control how closely the output matches your description. Then when you are happy, select Generate Sound. You will receive 4 different sounds. If none meet your expectations, adjust the prompt or settings and regenerate. Here's an exercise to try for yourself. Create a sound effect using this prompt. Old school funky brass stabs from an old vinyl sample, stem, 88 beats per minute in F sharp minor. Similar to speech synthesis, you can view your generation history. Additionally, you can explore pre-made sound effects in the Explore tab. You can learn the basics of how to use the studio feature within 11 Labs when creating an audiobook in our 11 Labs workshop lessons. Thanks for watching.